see, that was like 15 minutes there.
Look cut there.
Yeah, you can see his breathing better, he's functioning better, shoulders are better. If I check the range of motion, see how much better that is now? Even with the range, much easier, I can actually go further in. Same here. No snapping, no popping, much more neutral. But again, the different diaphragms we treated, all 8 in through there. If you're there, my good friend Tara is doing her pelvic floor class earlier today too. She'll talk about the diaphragms as well. Like I said, whatever I do, all my other colleagues in here are doing the same thing. It's just how you actually look at it. But again, diaphragm for the high aid was off. Diaphragm at the thoracic outlet was off because of the brachial plexus injury. Then we had the actual brain. That's why I had to pull the parietal bone to affect that area because the tortorium was off in through the head, and that was affecting the falx cerebri.